Learning to build robots made out of Legos. It doesn't really get any cooler than that for a kid. And now your child can be a part of a free robotics field trip experience this summer. It's really pretty awesome looking at all of these devices. It certainly took a lot of time, but guess what? This group can teach your kids how to do something like this. To talk more about it, our friend Kalai Sankar, the founder and head instructor from Shiva Robotics Academy, as well as some of her star students right here, all different ages. These kids are smart.
Of course.
They are smart. So listen, I've been in contact with you all at Shiva for several years. We've done some charity events together, and it seems like the robots get more and more sophisticated every year.
So thanks, Vic, for having us here. So as you see, they start with the basic robots and it gets more advanced, like metal robots and 3D printing. So I have my students and coach, so they'll be giving a demonstration of it.
Yeah,
First up, let's start with Andre Brenda. So he's in second grade. He has been doing robotics for 2 years now.
All
he
right.
started by building a simple robotic race car. And let's hear from Andre what kinds of robots that he can build today.
Yeah, tell us about it, Andre.
Hello, I am Andre, and I have been learning to build and code robots at Shiva Robotics Academy for almost 2 years, and today I could build and code a hand sanitizer robot.
Okay.
And
look at that.
This is a fun robot that solves a Rubik's Cube. And
Wow.
this robot is a two-wheeled bouncing robot modeled after Segway. It uses ultrasonic and color sensors.
You're how old, Andre?
7.
Wow.
So just
I'm blown away. He's 7 years old. That thing really does work. Look at this, Freddie. It actually, when I put my hand under there, it actually works. That's incredible.
So those are the kind of robots they build in elementary school. So when they come to middle school, they can do either recreational robotics or they can take part in competition. We have Fletcher Farwell here. He was part of the NG Nerds team. They built this robot. It's not from any instruction. It was totally designed by the students, and it can accomplish some cool missions. And this is a humanoid robot. Yes. So right now it's unloading a cargo from a cargo airplane. And this robot, it won the Robot Design Award in our regionals, and it took part in the state championship. So once they master Lego, it's time to move on to some metal robot. We have Manav Sangvi here. He's part of Shiva Automatron's team, and he can give a demonstration of that cool robot.
Okay. Can't believe that they put this together. I mean, look, I said that this was made out of Legos. There's a couple Legos in there, but there's a whole lot of wiring, batteries, and other things that these kids put together. Wow.
Yeah, you're right. So that robot, it even has a whole bunch of 3D printed parts.
Okay.
So as they move up the progression of robotics, they start doing all kinds of 3D printing. We have Aid Musa, a senior student. So he'll be talking about the 3D printed models that we have right here.
So here I have a couple of 3D printed robots and a couple of 3D printed prosthetics. And so a lot of things that you learn at this level at Shiva Robotics allows you to continue on, and it allows you to basically learn how to CAD design and learn how to build things on your own without instructions or without Legos or guided materials like that.
Oh, look at that thing. I've seen the government use devices just like this.
Yeah,
So,
this has been modeled after the Boston Dynamics Spot Mini.
Wow. And you put this together.
Yeah.
You made this happen.
Yep.
So let's talk about this, because you're a senior.
Yeah.
What's next for you? I mean, the future's got to be bright.
Yeah, so I'm actually going to attend Purdue University next year.
Okay.
Yeah, studying mechanical engineering. So.
Wow. Wow. What do you want to do ultimately?
I definitely want to